Hi guys. So I have a little mini haul of unboxing some nail stuff that I got over the holidays. So I got a Model 1 acrylic Kolinsky brush, number 8. This is going to be the first professional brush that I'm using, so I'm kind of excited about using this one. It does look pretty good so far. I like the glitter. I do like sparkly stuff. And I also got some Secret Monomer. I'm not going to use that in today's video. I'm going to do some color swatches. I'm actually going to use some of my odorless acrylic that monomer that I have actually, because I'm going to be in the house, so I didn't want the odor to be really strong. But I will use that on a set in the future, so keep a lookout for that. But I did get this 12-piece set of the fruity colors from Secret, so it actually looks like it has a lot of really good colors in it for some holiday sets I'm going to do and for the spring coming up. So I really like the neon colors. So here are actually some Markartt press-on nails. I want to start doing some press-on sets and just kind of playing around with these, and also just doing some color swatch sets just to kind of get some designs going. I am going to do a set on myself, so look for that video in the future too. So I'm pretty excited about getting the press-on nails. I've noticed that there is a pretty big trend going on with people using press-ons again, and even using gel resin or builder gel, or even like a gel foundation polish to attach them instead of using glue or the sticky adhesive pads. So, and forgive me guys, I'm getting over a cold, so I know I probably sound kind of stuffy. So it does come with a little file, and it comes with 4 glues. I'm gonna make a couple sets for some friends, and so I'll give them the glues for that, just in case they don't have gel. But these are really cute nails, and they're long, and they're already coffin shaped. So I may have to, if I do sets for myself, I may have to cut them down just a little bit, because I like my nails about the length that you see them now. But as you can see, they're very nice. They're very nicely shaped. They're really pretty. And I already love the shape of them as it is, but again, I will cut those down a little bit. So I'm just going to let you guys kind of watch me finish unboxing everything and getting the color set up, because I'm going to do the full color swatch of all 12 of the Secret colors that I just got. So just hang tight and listen to the music. So here's the red apple. Red is the color I'm probably going to use the most. All of them came with a seal, so off camera I did have to go and open all 12 of them and get that little protective seal off the top. So this color actually showed up really good. It was really opaque and dark, like a deep dark garnet red color. And this is the grape. So it's a purple. And I probably needed to shake this one up a little better, because I did notice when I swatched it, it still looked kind of pale in the middle, like maybe the white color mixed in. This is blueberry, and the blueberry kind of did the same thing. So after this one, I did shake them up a little more. If you can see, it's kind of lighter in the middle and dark around the edges. So I just needed to shake them up some more. And this green tea is really pretty. Like, it looks like matcha green tea powder. And the consistency of all of them is really nice so far. This is the coffee color. It's a really rich brown espresso color. And here's the black. And this is cake. I really like this color. This color is going to get used a lot as well. That one kind of did the same thing too. So this one is ice cream. This is like a neon, super bright pink. And this is an orange. This is more like a neon orange. The banana, it's kind of like a mustard yellow color once it's on and dry. Citrus. Okay, so this is like a really bright neon yellow. I really like this color. I already have about 4 polishes and acrylic powders that look like this. And lemon is actually like a neon green. I'm not sure why they called it lemon, because it's more like a lime color. But I did really like this one too. It's a little darker than a normal neon green. And here's where I actually did swatches in some of the clear nails so that you can kind of see what they all look like. And there were 2 colors. Let me see. The blueberry is one of them. And you can kind of see how it's spotty, the blueberry. Like, it has these kind of like a marbled look in it where it didn't get mixed up very well. So I'm not really sure what I need to do about that. I did shake it before I did these swatches and it still turned out like that, so I'm not sure why. And let's see, the orange did it a little bit as well, and then the citrus kind of did it too, but it is so bright that you really can hardly see that. And so this is what all the colors look like. I really like this color set, and I'm going to link everything down in the description below. And then I just put some pictures at the end for you guys to look at. So hope you guys enjoy. Thanks so much for watching the video, and see you guys next time.